Hey guys, welcome to How To Library. Today I'm going to show you how to add stickers to your CapCut video. So first things first, we're going to pick out a video we would like to edit. I'm going to pick from these two I'm already editing. We're going to pick the first one. And once we get here, we have a lot of icons at the bottom of our screen. So we're going to look through them. So the first icon is edit, the second is audio, the third one is text, and the fourth one is stickers. So we're going to click on the stickers icon. And let's just say we're going to pick a sticker we like. So let's pick a sticker that matches our vibe right now of this video. By the way, this video, I found it randomly on TikTok. Okay, let's add this one. And we can add another one also. So, okay, so now we can move them. And then we're going to click here. And then you can put to how long you want the stickers to last. So maybe I want this to last the whole video. So I'm just going to pull it. And I don't want the other one to last the whole video. And that's about it. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye guys.